Recall that in December last year, Elon Musk outlined the timing of sending a man to Mars. He is confident that this will happen in the next 6 years. Earlier, the entrepreneur announced plans to conquer the red planet, in particular, to deliver 1 million people to it by the 2050th year. How's that for you, Elon Musk? Hello everyone, Igor is at the microphone, and today we will study the long-awaited Adon Northstar. So, the first thing that can be noticed is the new skybox. If you look closely, you can find planets in the night sky. Only naturally without shaders. It looks quite atmospheric. And the first thing we have to do is a telescope and an astronomical table. Thanks to the telescope, you will be able to find the coordinates of the place where you want to fly. Aim at any planet or moon. If you have paper in your inventory, then click the plus sign, and the coordinates will be recorded. And by the way, the collision of the moon is slightly shifted to the right or to the left. So, we need 3 sheets with coordinates, but the main thing is that the coordinates differ and are as far apart from each other as possible. Therefore, we record the coordinates for 3 nights. We put these coordinates in the astronomical table and make a little book called a star map. Making a rocket. The rocket can be of any shape. The main thing is the presence of such blocks as a jet engine, a rocket control panel, a rocket station, an interplanetary navigator, a metal space door, and thermal protection blocks. Done? There must be thermal protection blocks in the rocket body, and whether they are enough for flight or not, the rocket station will tell you. We put it and put the star map there. You can click on the plus sign and see what is needed to build a rocket. We add jet engines as much as necessary and make a tank with fuel. By the way, the fuel is made by pressing coal in a bowl, but the bowl must be in spoles. We'll install a control panel and an interdimensional navigator, and our rocket is almost ready. It remains to add a metal space door and a chair at the control panel. Now the rocket is definitely ready. But we are still not ready to fly into space. We need a spacesuit with oxygen. To do this, we will need the spacesuit itself, an oxygen filler, and an oxygen condenser. We put the last one, and lead the pipes from it into the filler. We power it all up, and put the spacesuit to be filled with oxygen. So we are ready to leave Earth. We collect the rocket by clicking on the plus sign at the station. Get dressed and sit down on a chair. Press the space bar, and we can fly. When we begin to approach the arrival point, we need to right-click on the control panel to control the rocket. And when you already see the Earth of an alien planet, press the space bar to reduce the speed of falling and not to crash. We can get out of the rocket and explore a new terrain. Each planet has its own dungeons, its own animals, but I will leave the study of them for you. There are still various devices in fashion, but because of them, Minecraft was painted for me. So let's wait for more updates, and take a look at this mod, again, a little later. Thank you all for watching, friends. Do not forget about the likes, comments. If you liked the video, click on the bell. See you all soon.